Hello there, this is Sandancer80 with another model truck review, and this one is going to be a Corgi Roadscene model, which is in front of you now, the Renault Magnum, Pollock Scotrans, and I'll just show you the box. For the information, model number is CC18301, it's a Renault Magnum curtain side of Pollock Scotrans, Bathgate, Scotland. Now, I'll quickly show you the certificate. This side shows you what the Roadscene models is about. Inside it shows you a few more models in the range, and this one shows you about the company, the fleet, all the vehicles they've had, when they started, etc. And on the back, that is the number. This one is number 49 of 1500. Right, now onto the model itself. The model comes with unfitted mirrors, and all the mirrors fit into the pre-drilled holes, you can see just on the door there. So the mirrors just simply slot in like that, but I'll not put them in for the review. I'll quickly show you the front, because this is my favourite model of the range. There's only 3 Renault Magnums in the Corgi Roadscene range, and I think it's a brilliant model. It's got the Pollock sign on the top with the visor, Total Logistics Solutions, and it has the Pollock ribbon on the front, and the lights on the Corgi models are brilliant on these ones. They're much better than the Oxford ones. The Renault grille, registration there is S88 PSL, and we have the grille and the lights, etc. The side, it's a 6x2 unit, typical Pollock livery there, nice colours as well, good detailing of the step, etc. The other side's the same basically, steps, and there's the pre-drilled holes for the mirrors. The back, it has the Pollock name and the logo on the back, and the back there's the registration again, with detailing of the lights. And we'll get onto the trailer. Like I said, it's a curtain side trailer, tri-axle, obviously 3 axles, and we have the side skirts with the Pollock website on, probably an old one, but, and the trailer number 333. That's the same, says on the back, the same number, with Pollock Scotrans transport, warehouse and distribution on the back. And it has good detail of the handles on the doors, hinges down the side there. And there's the registration again with a few warning signs, and the lights and the indicators. And the other side's exactly the same. Nice detail of the straps. And I like these models, the Corgi ones, they're much better than Oxford, because of the detail and the quality of them are much better. There's the trailer number there again, with the Pollock sign, and it's got a lot of weight into these models as well, so I think they're much better than Oxford. That's my personal opinion. And that concludes my model review. Tune in for more. Thanks for watching.